Well, hello everyone. It's Wednesday today, and this is my OOTD for today. Actually, I love this blouse, and this is from Inday Mika Chang. And of course, this is my favorite far light blue jacket, and it's make me warm talaga while I'm walking how many minutes. Okay. And then this is my original Crocs bags, no? Hindi to Hermes but inspired by the Birkin style, but this is original. Minana ko to sa aking biyanan. So, this is my bag, everyone. Actually, this is the bag. This is my bag. Kung makikita nyo, this is my bag. I have my wallet. I have my wallet. And na ako'y mga sudan, na ako'y saging para sa akong biyanan. Dilutuan ako siya, no? This is all about inside